So, what's up guys? Yeah, changed a bit since the last time. Um, my name is Nick actually. I'm from BotCompare, so we test crypto trading bots, make short videos and share it with you. We're testing different formats at the moment, so throughout the next series you'll probably see most of our team sitting like here. And the last time we analyzed crypto work. In case you missed it, here is a link, please follow. And today we will compare it with the new trading platform which is called Aibit. Aibit operates on low risk algorithms tested on probably millions of transactions. This service at the moment supports 7 languages. It is English, German, Spanish, French, Chinese, Korean, Japanese and Russian, and trades on popular exchanges like Binance, Huobi, OKX and some other that you probably know. Basically, unlike crypto, Aibit is free of charge, so there are no pricing plans. Instead of using all these newbies, pros and etc. plans, the bot collects 50% of your successful deals. And indeed it seems like very fair and reasonable because the developers are motivated to keep that updated and to enhance the existing algorithms. So we really like this idea and this approach. At the moment there is no mobile application, only a desktop version, so maybe in the future we'll see it. Let's talk about features. At the moment there are 5 main strategies that's available on the platform: rings, waves, mirrors, tsunami and tornado. Also you can build your own strategy, definitely. I bet that some of you might not be aware of what all these strange and silly names mean, which I mentioned. For the lack of time we cannot consider all of them in this video, but let's focus just on some of them. On 2 of them actually there are historically the first ones implemented by Aibit team. So basically I talk about ring and waves. The ring algorithm is high frequency trading algorithm that seeks inefficiencies within a single market or single exchange in our case. The purpose of the algorithm is to increase the quantity of the original coin in the portfolio. So it looks as follows. Just imagine you take 1 Bitcoin or just number of Bitcoins, I don't know, buy some others for it, then buy other Cardano, you probably know, using Ethers, and then finally buy back BTC. The thing is that you need to oversee that this operation will bring you profit, so you will end up with more BTC than you had initially. The wave is different story. The wave algorithm uses volatility within one pair in one exchange, buying a coin at relatively low price and selling it at a peak. This algorithm brings especially a huge profit at decreases and right fluctuations. It's quite similar. In a way it should look very familiar to you. It's trending thing just like we saw in crypto work. Again, if you didn't see, just follow this link. Next time we will discuss other strategies, so subscribe to our newsletter and just ask what strategy you would like us to cover. The sweet thing about Aibit is that you don't need to set a currency pair. Just the base currency, for instance you can set BTC, and then bot analyzes which pairs would bring the biggest profit and form basket. In the case of unprofitable trading, the service compensates the loss. However, it cannot be just withdrawn, yeah, actually, but rather used for future traders. So basically that's it. There is also an affiliate program, so you can get extra 10% of your friend's trade. For instance, just imagine your friend was lucky enough and got 100 USD dollars. In this case, the service takes $50 its commission, and from that $50 give you back $10. Pretty fair. Also, from time to time there happen some competitions. At the moment we can see now, like in a screen now, that the winner of the last session got a profit of approximately $10,000 and won a new iPhone. That's cool, so let's see, maybe there are some other competitions will take place soon. For our test, we have deposited 0.09 BTC, that is slightly more than $300. We started trading on January the 29th on Binance and choose ring strategy. On February 8th, that's what we have. We earned around 0.0013 BTC, or roughly $6.3. This sum is with the bot's commission, so the net profit will be 50% of that. We had also 15 closed deals with the 1.5 yield. The average profitable deal brought us around 3.87%. One deal out of 15 was unprofitable, and we got a fund. It was just small, but it should be noticed that it's not a marketing buzz, but a real commitment of the developers, and it's really appreciated. So, our overall impression, and so what we can say about Aibit. It definitely has several advantages. First of them is that it's quite easy to use. In particular, it was not a problem to start trading with wave strategy just in few clicks. There is also no need to choose trading pairs to set take profit and stop loss parameters and etc., as it happens in other trading bots. And the third thing, that Aibit has a large and detailed frequently asked questions section, so it has general questions, descriptions of strategies, how to set it up, financial issues and resolutions, so maybe many things. Also support response very quickly. We asked once about some minor clarification and they got back to us quite rapidly. There is one thing that we believe will significantly improve the service. We did not find a full-fledged report on the financial results of trading in the select period of time, and which might include profit and loss and close and open deals. But overall, based on our ranking system, we give 8 out of 10 points to Aibit. It's a fascinating service, we recommend it to use. Thanks for watching, and we'll be happy to receive your wishes regarding the choice of the next bot for the test. Please subscribe to our newsletter and join us on social media, and thank you if you're sharing this video with your friends. And have a good trade, guys.